Hey guys, it's 5:30 in the morning and I'm down to Manila at 6:30. And oh my god, I'm so excited and anxious for this journey. I hope everything goes well. Update, it's 9 a.m. and I'm already here at the airport. I'm done with immigration and I'm just waiting for my boarding time, which is 12:30 pa, so habang hintayan pa. But important thing is I'm already here, I'm in, and isang oras na lang and I will be on board papuntang London. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm gonna try my best to vlog on all throughout this journey. This is just the beginning, and yeah, 6 more days to go. I skipped lunch, so this will actually be my first meal on the plane. I slept for lunch, so excited to eat gutom na. Medyo late kami nag-land. We're supposed to land around 8:50 something, pero on 9 something. And I'm going to Parcel 1 to pick up my bag and figure out what I need to do next. So, ako lang mag-isa. What I'm doing is I'm just reading the signs and going with my car now. So, on our way to Central Bus Station, and vlog na ng vlog. Di naman ako nila kilala dito eh. And I think it really pays to Google ahead kasi kahit na ako lang mag-isa, I know where I'm going. Tsaka properly labeled naman lahat ng places. And it's pretty safe, so... Pero, nagtitingin na ako kasi ang laki na camera ko pang vlog. Oh my god. Okay lang yan. Laban pa rin. Can you see this, guys? Ano yung fog? It's so cold, but it's not... It's cold, but it's nice. And this is Park Inn. I'm here. Wait. Park Inn. I'm gonna stop vlogging because it's difficult to vlog habang carry-carry ko yung luggage ko. But it's good na semento lahat dito, so... Tired from the trip, but it's all worth it. Park in Randessan, I read that it's 3 bus stops away from the station, and then I have to go down Nene Road. But then again, sabi ng bus, may nag-aanak kasi, Nene Road. Buti na lang, di ako nagtanong kasi, excuse me, is this going to Nene Road? Nene! Pisaya kayo. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm gonna wash up na and prepare my things for tomorrow. Am I ready? Suddenly I'm nervous na. But all is well. I'm gonna go online now and inform my parents and family, my friends that I'm already here. I got here safely, thank God. And yeah, tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is a big day actually. But yeah. Okay, 11 na. Kailangan ko nang mag-ayos. Sige. See ya. So, nakuha ko na yung Oyster card and travel card ko for today. And then, I'm just waiting for my train here at platform 2 Eastbound. And I'm gonna take this to the line. Hey guys! Hey guys, I'm with my new friend Anna. Hi! Germany. And yeah, she's telling me a lot of bits about traveling alone and about love.
Love is the best.
Yeah. Okay, do you want to give a shout out to your friends? As if they're gonna watch the video.
No.
Oh, the battery's running out. Oh my god. It's actually 10 minutes to 11. And magsa-start na yung contest namin in a few. And then I'm actually still waiting for my friend, Ana Luisa. She's also a YouTuber. Nakilala ko siya way back when I was still into K-pop videos on YouTube. And now she's working as a nurse here in UK. And she's gonna stay with me for tonight. So I have a +1, at least hindi ako alone. And yeah, sana hindi siya maligaw. Nauna pa ako sa kanya sa hotel. Anyway, yeah, I'll try to settle down and fix my things. And yeah, wish me luck for the contest. Can you see this bed? Can you see this wide window? And I'm all alone. I can really do this. My God. I have to go down actually kasi medyo mahina yung wifi dito. And then, because I have to message Ana Luisa Argao that I'm already here and tell her the room number. Yeah, so okay, I think I'll bring my camera downstairs. That would be it. Prepare for the contest. Oh my God. I will just let my feeling lead me to my artwork for today. I guess that's it. Because if I just practice, I will just feel nervous and yeah. Anyway, I'll just enjoy it later. So yeah, let's go downstairs. Yeah. Pero una, OOTD muna.